action star. I played horror. I played the support role in OTJ. And I'm playing this now. You know, every project ang mahalaga sa akin is, am I going to be challenged? And siguro, my number one challenge is, Liz Ken, di ba? Automatic love team na sila. And I dati sa mga ibang projects, syempre may Kimrel, and then sabi ni Sarah, there's always a third party. And I'd always, lagi ko siya tinitingnan na, how is he gonna do this? Na siya, established na kami. And that's what challenges me now. Kumbaga, every time you see me on screen, that's the feeling ng gusto ko, hindi naman takot, pero gusto ko maramdaman yung audience na gusto ko malito sila. And sana nagawa ko, but that as an actor, yun yung challenge para sa akin. And I'm a working actor. I love to work. I love to work. Kaya nga, ayaw ko yung mga nakahiga lang ako eh. I love to work. I love to improve every day. And hindi mangyayari yan kung puro lead roles na, or puro romantic lead, or puro action lang, or puro horror lang. I have to mix it up kasi gusto ko po may isang versatile actor. And I want to be the kind of actor na kahit saan mo ako ilagay, I'm gonna make that role very important. And sana nagawa ko.
Do you have to advise to them? Do you have any advice for them? Kasi you were, yung ganun,
alam mo,
sa love team na katulad.
Well, wala eh. Kasi nakita ko na sila, mahal naman talaga din yung ginagawa nila eh. You know, sobra. And they're very natural. So, kung yung nakikita nyo, bro, wala ko rin. Yung boots mo na, hindi, kumbaga napaka-natural nila eh. So, hindi po nagkamali yung mga fans sila na supportahan sila. They're great people with sobrang down to earth, and malayo pa yung mararating nila. Basta mahalin nila yung trabaho nila, which they do.
Sorry, super last question.
Yeah.
Ano ba yan?
Sorry. Kasi, di ba yung mga naging pairing, medyo nagkatuluyan kayo? So sila, paano would you advise them na to
Maging
magjowa din, so to speak? What do you have to say to that?
Bibigado ako dito.
Parang lugi, ano?
Nako, patay. Alam mo, wala eh. It's out of our hands. Sila na yan. Kumbaga, wala na tayo dyan. We can love them, we can support them as a love team, pero pagdating sa gano'n, it's out of our hands. Bahala na po si God, siguro sa kanila. Kung mas may inspire sila, maging sila. Kung pag naging sila, okay. If not. So, sa akin na, siguro yung professional side lang, yun ang advice na bigay ko. Kasi syempre, dami ko rin kailangan matutunan muna sa love life.
Last question naman ay magmumula kay Chika Ness.
Medyo madami.
Sige, okay, next question.
Last batch. Okay.
Question.
So, hi po. I'm Albert from Chicanes. Hi po. Direct May, one of the reasons na gustong-gusto ko yung mga movies na ginagawa mo is you have your leading man na may mga shirtless scenes. Yeah. So, diba? Madami. So, is it something na i-expect din namin for everyday love?
Hubad po ang comatose. Nakatapos ang comatose. Watch nyo na lang. Pero sinabi, kinausap ko na sila about that na, oo, parang, actually hindi naman sa kasi the scene calls for it naman eh. So,
Pero parang feeling ko,
meron.
parang palagi pag direct May.
Trademark.
Hindi ba?
Ang ginagawa direct May, mga rom-com, rom-drama, hindi bold, calvo. Oo, meron.
Ayun, excite ako bigla.
Kati-kati ni Albert.
Joke lang!
Bakla, ang dumi-dumi mong bakla. Chika lang, Albert. Joke lang. Namulat si
Kasi ano
Albert.
na lang, not a follow-up question. How did the production team choose the Gross Occidental as the location?
Kasi when I came in the team, meron ng kwento. Meron na silang, they already had a story in mind. And they already had, a place in mind. Actually, hindi ko maalala yung first, basta sinabi lang namin, we need a place na malayo.